Welcome to my channel Glory with Mathematics. Please subscribe, like and share. Dear students, let us start our activity 3. The algebraic identity a square minus b square is equal to a plus b whole into a minus b. Objective of this activity is to verify the algebraic identity of a square minus b square is equal to a plus b whole into a minus b. Materials required for this activity are drawing sheet, pencil, sellotape, colored papers, cutter and ruler. Prerequisite knowledge: square and its area, rectangle and its area. You have to know about square and rectangle and their area formula for this activity. Then what is a square? A square is a quadrilateral whose all sides are equal and all the angles are 90 degrees. Its area is the product of the length of its two sides, that is a into a, that is a square square unit. Then rectangle, it is a quadrilateral whose opposite sides are equal and all the angles are 90 degrees. And its area is the product of the length A and breadth B, and area is A into B, that is AB square unit. So in this figure, ABCD is a rectangle having length A unit and breadth B unit. So its area is AB square unit. Procedure: from a color paper, cut out a square whose length of each side is A unit and name it as square PQRS. Here in figure 3, PQRS is a square having side A unit and its area is A square square unit. Next, from a different color paper, cut out another square as in step first, whose length of each side is B units, where A is greater than B, and name it as square KLMN. So in figure 4, KLMN is a square having side B unit and its area is B square square unit. Next demonstration: from the square of area A square, what we got in figure 3, a portion of area B square, what we got in figure 4, is removed as shown in figure 5. So look at the figure 5. Here from the square PQRS, whose area is a square unit, we removed a square KLMN having area B square unit. So here in this figure, the red colored square is removed from the blue colored square. So the remaining portion of the square PQRS is shown in this figure in the right side. So now cut the portion obtained in figure 5 into two pieces along the line SN as shown in figure 6. So look at the figure 6. Here we have to cut the remaining part after removing B square unit from the area A square unit. So we have to divide it into two parts by cutting this along the line SN. So the two pieces of 10 are shown in the figure. Then join the two pieces of 10 in the figure 6 as shown in the figure 7 to get a rectangle PMRK of side A plus B and A minus B. So look at the figure 7. Here we join the two pieces what we have cut before. So to form a rectangle whose length is A plus B unit and breadth is A minus B unit. Then what we observe after doing this demonstration, area of the figure, look at the above figure, area of this figure is A square minus B square. As we removed the area B square from the area A square. And area of the rectangle, what we have got by joining these two parts, that is area of this rectangle is A plus B into A minus B. As the length is A plus B and breadth is A minus B. So A square minus B square will be equal to A plus B whole into A minus B. So here in the often figures, both the areas are same as the second one. That means the rectangle PMRK is obtained from the cut figure of area A square minus B square. So therefore A square minus B square is equal to A plus B whole into A minus B. So what result we got from this activity? So the result is the identity A square minus B square is equal to A plus B whole into A minus B has been verified geometrically. Thank you.